Hi everyone, I just wanted to jump back on to follow on from Steve's vlog last week to talk about how we use Salient, our natural language understanding tool, to inform our PR content. We use the relevancy analysis to understand where the gaps are in our client's backlink profile. We then take this analysis and make sure we're using it in every brainstorm to ensure that our ideas stay relevant. Here's a previous brainstorm brief for our client Ginger A. In every brief, we always start with SEO data using the relevancy analysis. As you can see, before we started working together, Ginger A wasn't relevant at all for balloons, which is why out of the categories they asked us to look at, we knew we had to make sure balloons were a #1 priority. When you're in a brainstorm, it's really easy to go off on a tangent, so it's important to have a set of key focus areas that allows you to really pull yourself back to the brief and ensure that your ideas are relevant. For clients, this means that we can easily identify the areas that are going to drive the best organic performance for them. It also adds meaning to our results. Whilst the team have smashed it with links and coverage, when we're reporting, we don't just look at micrometrics, we focus on the bigger picture. One of the many benefits of using our tool is that it allows us to benchmark and really measure success. So after the first 100 days of working with Ginger A, we're able to see not only how it impacted the relevancy score, but also how this correlated with improving the rankings as well. As you can see, we have hugely increased relevancy for balloons. Before, balloons wouldn't have even been viewed by Google as something that Ginger A was relevant for, but now it's one of the most relevant categories. We don't just stop there, we also monitor the rankings and report back on those as well. We also look at how much referral traffic has been generated by the coverage too. By focusing on brand and relevant content, we're much more likely to convert customers through the PR coverage. We are seeing time and time again that relevancy has a really positive impact on clients, and as a result, we're delivering great organic growth across the board. It's still early days into our relationship with Ginger A, but we're already seeing great results, and I can't wait to see what the next 100 days brings. If you're interested in this content and we're not already connected on LinkedIn, then please feel free to do so, or you can follow me on Twitter. If you've got any questions as well, then please feel free to reach out and I'm happy to answer them.